Good morning from Wildborn. I'm Troy Sessions. I'm getting ready. I'm thinking actually about opening up 4 new Caribou locations here in Alaska. And they're very special. I have never opened them up to the public until now. Thinking about opening them up because I've never had a transport company that can handle going into these secret locations of mine that I've known about for over 2 decades. And they are incredible. And what's so special about them is one, that they're a lake drop off with a specialized plane into a location that again has never been hunted, certainly not by me, and I've never seen anybody in the locations. But these are brand new caribou hunting locations. Okay, what's so special about this? Well, as most of you know by now, pretty much every transporter in the state is booked up already for 2026. And this aviation company is new, and that's why their books are wide open for you. And they love me and what we're doing, and they want to be able to, and they're again want to get rolling. So get a hold of me. You will have to qualify to be the first into these locations. So if you're a tire kicker, kick somebody else's tire. I'm going to leave a link down in the comments section, pretty much below or to the right, depending on if you're on your phone or if you're on the computer. And click that link. It's a 25 questionnaire test. It's from Tundra Mentor, and it tells me how serious you are. And I only want serious people because these places are serious places to hunt. And I'm so excited. I didn't even want to release them because they're so good. And here's the big one. You can shoot 2. The area is open for the harvesting of 2 caribou per hunter. Doesn't matter. And that's for non-resident or resident. So everybody else charging $7,000 to fly you into an area to shoot 1 little caribou. This is the best way and the biggest bang for your buck. These are a fly out through a transport service drop off hunt. Now I know this is different than what I've been preaching about the boat hunting. That's a separate deal, and that's for folks like you that want to take matters in your own hands and get your boats and get set up the way that I've been doing all that too. And that's really cool, but this is different, guys. I mean, this is done for you. You'll have to get a strategic hunting plan packet from me, and I'll get you set up with the transporter service, the licensed transporter service, to get you into these places. Boy, they're good. What's this look like? Well, you're gonna fly into Fairbanks. Love my Wildborn coffee. And those of you who know, this is my company, Wildborn. It's really good. Anyhow, you're gonna fly into Fairbanks, and then hopefully maybe I can get to meet you in person. But then you'll go to your transport service and hook up with them, and they got special training programs in place before you can even get in the plane. They're gonna teach you about the flying portion of it, the hunting logistics portion of it, and go over everything. This is completely different from anybody else in the state not doing this. A transport company that teaches you how to navigate the location you're going into. It's a big deal. It's never been done before. Not by people who are qualified hunters and have proven to be really resourceful hunters like me, and my crew and the partners. It's really cool. You are going to be trained in and on the location you're going to. No more going in blind like all the other transporters. If they give you a GPS coordinates, if you're lucky, they give you a GPS coordinates ahead of time. And if they don't decide to move you, which they do very often, and when you are out in the field and you call, this company picks the phone up and they answer your questions when you're out in the field. In fact, this company will answer the phone whenever you call. You got to have, 9 to 5 or 8 to 7 hours, but especially if you're in the field. This company really feels that that's an important process of the transporter company, is to answer calls, because you guys, when you're out in the field, you're stuck. You are essentially stranded, and the only person you can get a hold of that can help you is a transport service or SOS. And who wants to do the SOS? By the way, no matter who you go with, make sure you get that emergency insurance that's out there. There's several different options that you can get into. This transport service will have those options for you. They also rent inReaches and sat phones. When I say this transport service is top of the line, we're talking top of the line. 2 aircraft. They have a beautiful 185 aircraft on amphib floats. They have a beautiful mall on amphib floats, and they're only getting bigger from there. It's been kind of a blessing to have a transport company of this nature. So I'm getting off track here. I'm getting ready to offer 4 Caribou locations for 2026, and you can book further out, 27, 28 if you want. Never been hunted before, and you will have to be vetted and qualified to be the first ever in these locations. Hit me up, DM down below, click the link down below. If it's not down there, it will be down there. You can still message me, and I will get you set up. Good luck, guys. Be safe out there, and 2026 is a big, awesome year. Love you all.